Hello everyone, I am Tripura. Welcome to my CRS presentation. I choose my company Nestle. Why Nestle? Nestle is a multinational company that operates in 197 countries worldwide. Its notable success can most likely be tracked down to its robust management. Fast moving consumer goods FMCG. Uh, Fast moving consumer goods are consumer packaged goods or products that are sold quickly and at a relatively low cost. FFCG is the fourth largest sector in the Indian economy. The number of online users in India is likely to cross 850 million by 2025. And next one coming to company profile. What? Nestle India Limited, one of the biggest players in FMCG segment. It is the world's largest food and beverage company where VV Bot Switzerland is headquarters. When it started, 1866. Who in Henry Nestle. Some products, chocolate, Cerelac, coffee, baby food, drinks, dairy products, etc. He is the Henry Nestle. And coming to vision and mission statements. Vision to bring consumer foods that are safe, of high quality, and provide optimum nutrition to meet physiological needs. In addition to nutrition, health, and wellness, Nestle products bring consumer the vital ingredients of taste and pleasure. Mission make better food so that people live a better life. And coming to management, Mr. Suresh Narayan, he is the chairman and managing director of Nestle. Mr. Shobinder Duggal, he is the executive director of finance and control and CFO. Mr. Martin Domkins, executive director technicals. Ms. Rama Bajapukar, independent and non-executive director of Nestle. And coming to about talking about chairman, Mr. Suresh Narayan joined the board of directors of Nestle India Limited as managing director from 1st August 2015. Mr. Narayan has been designated as the chairman and managing director of the company with effect from 29th October 2015. He is also the member of Corporate Social Responsibility Committee of the board of directors of the company. He, he holds a master's degree in economics from the Delhi School of Economics. And coming to recent happenings in Nestle. With Milo's relaunch, Nestle builds a millennial tract around its brand. Nestle India net profit rises 10.83% to rupees 438 crores in June quarter. Total expenses were 2,414.29 crore in the largest quarter as against rupees 2,163.32 crore a year ago. Marketing strategy. First one is food is local. Second one affordable products. Third one sourcing raw materials. And fourth one a network of local companies. And coming to future plans of Nestle. Steps are continuously being taken for innovation and renovation of products, including new products development, improvement of packaging and enhancement of product quality of profile to offer better products at relatively affordable prices to the consumers. And coming to SWOT analysis of the Nestle. Strengths Strengths of the Nestle. World renowned brand. Extensive distribution system. Large workforce, R&D centers, weaknesses of the Nestle, Maggie controversy, brand structure, legal and consumer issues, opportunities of the Nestle, healthy breakfast, expanding market, strategic alliances, threats of the Nestle, competition in the market, price of commodities, buyer power, employee benefits of the Nestle, development opportunities, mentoring and coaching programs. First one is Young Talent Development Program, and second one is International Development Program, a flexible and supportive work environment, job retention for people with disabilities, training and communication to make mindsets progress on the topic. Finance of the Nestle, Finance report of the Nestle, profit and loss account of the Nestle India into the 2018 to 2019. Revenue from operations in 2018 11,216.23 to in December 2019, 12,295.27. It increases. Revenue from operations and December 2018, 11,216.23 to 2019, 12,295.27. It increases. Total revenue in December 2018, 11,551.19 to in 2019, 12,615.78. It increases. And coming to pest analysis of the Nestle. Political. Coming to political. Changing in global food standard regulations. And coming to economical. Economic instability, recessions, and controversies can adversely affect because it is a global player. Rising price of raw materials from suppliers. And next one is social. Changing consumer attitudes moves towards healthier products. And technological. Rise of social media used to increase consumer interaction. E-commerce as a platform from business development. And legal. Changing nature, legislative rules and regulations. And coming to economical. Increased attention directed towards corporate social responsibility. And coming to data analysis. Total expenses 91,222.4 million. Profit before tax 24,289.5 million. Profit after tax 16,069.3 million. Current ratio 2.55 millions. Debt equity ratio 1.20 million. Leading with strong market shares. Category brand market share Nestle India position. Infant Cerelac 96.5 India first position. Tea creamer 44.1% market share. Nestle India position number 1. Ketchups and sauces 20.5 second market share, second position. Instant pasta 73.7 India Nestle first position. Instant coffee market share 50.5 for one position. Awards recognized by brand equity as one of the top 10 ads of March 2018 for Maggi Masala. Magic कुछ अच्छा पक रहा है. Awarded Product Innovations of the Year 2018 in the nutrition category for Nestle Cerelac. Awarded the emerging brand by Sims Media as the health and wellness category. Thank you.